If you're wondering how to link your portfolio to your freelancer profile, this quick guide will show you exactly how to do it in just a few easy steps. Stay tuned until the end, because I'll also give you an exclusive free trial of the software we're using, only available to viewers of this channel. Let's get right into it. First, head over to your freelancer profile, whether you're on a site like Upwork, Fiverr, or another platform. Once you're logged in, look for the section where you can manage or edit your profile. This is usually found in the Edit Profile or Portfolio section. Now, let's move to the portfolio part. If you haven't already, make sure to upload some of your best work here. This will give potential clients a better idea of your skills and what you bring to the table. You can usually add images, PDFs, or even links to live projects depending on the platform you're using. Next, to link your portfolio, you're going to want to grab the URL for your portfolio or any specific project you want to highlight. This could be a personal website, a portfolio site like Behance or Dribbble, or even a direct link to a project you've worked on. Copy that link and head back to your freelancer profile. In most cases, there's an option to add external links or showcase your portfolio items. Paste the URL you copied into the appropriate field. It's important to double check that the link is clickable and takes viewers directly to the project you want to showcase. After you've pasted the link, make sure to give it a title or description so clients know what they're clicking on. This is a great opportunity to provide context for your work, especially if it's something that might require some explanation. Once you're done, save your changes. You'll likely be able to preview how your portfolio looks to potential clients. Make sure it's looking clean and professional before you finalize it. If your platform allows, you can reorder portfolio items to make sure your best work is front and center. That's the core of how to link your portfolio to your freelancer profile. Now, I know some of you might be wondering how to make your portfolio stand out even more, or if there's an easier way to manage and showcase your work. Well, I've tried several popular portfolio management tools and software, and I'm recommending a fantastic option that I personally use for this task. You can grab an exclusive free trial of this software through the link in the description below. Key takeaway. The key here is that linking your portfolio is an easy way to give potential clients a deeper look at your work and boost your credibility as a freelancer. Make sure your portfolio is easy to navigate, professional, and linked properly to your freelancer profile. To quickly recap, log into your profile, upload your best work, grab your portfolio URL, paste it in the right section, and save it. Always double check that everything works, and use a free trial of the software I recommended to take your portfolio management to the next level. Don't forget to grab the exclusive free trial through the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.